Hello, welcome to the class, guys. It's nice to see you again. Today we will talk a little bit about physical appearance, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing it. First, I need you to go and look on your backpack and have ready your book and a pen or pencil, and also a piece of paper because we will need that material during the video. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some time, or you can pause the video and play it whenever you have your stuff in your desk and you're ready. Okay? So you can go ahead and take your things. So, as you can see, I want you to think about what do they look like? What this person here look like? This girl, this boy, all these people. What do they look like? They are all different, right? Some of them are middle age. Um, he's the only one elderly. The girls, two of them have long hair. Probably she also has long hair, but she has it like a ponytail or something like that, so we can't see it. But think about it. What do they look like? Think how can you describe them better? Okay, so if you have your ideas, keep them in mind and you let me know on the Zoom session. Okay, good. So we will go ahead and turn the slide, go to another slide. And for this, we are going to use our book. I need you to go to page 20 and we will work on exercise A. I'm gonna play an audio for you and I need you to complete the empty spaces with the words that you have on the box. The words that we have are bald, middle age, mustache, red, short, and tall. So all these words you will use them in these descriptions below the pictures. Okay. So I'm gonna play the audio and I need you to listen carefully and write the information.
Lesson C. What do they look like? Page 20. Exercise 1. Vocabulary. Appearance. 1.
They're young. Rob is short and overweight, and May is tall and thin. Rob has straight brown hair. May has blonde hair. It's short and wavy.
2.
They're middle-aged. Lou and Jill have curly red hair. Jill has shoulder-length hair. Lou has little round glasses.
3.
They're elderly. They're medium height. Tony is bald and has a short white beard and a mustache. Angela has long gray hair.
Great. So if you couldn't finish the exercise, I suggest you to go back on the video and play it once again so then you complete it, okay? But by now I'm gonna give you the correct answers. And as you can see here on your screen, the number one says they are young. Rob is short and overweight, and May is tall and thin. What a couple, right? They are very different. Rob has straight brown hair. May has blonde hair and it's short and wavy. Okay, so we will go with number two. They are middle aged. Lou and Jill have curly red hair. Jill has shoulder length hair, and Lou has little round glasses. Okay, then we will go with number three. They are elderly. They are medium height. Tony is bald and has a short white beard and a mustache. Angela has long gray hair. Okay, so those are the correct answers. If you did it like this, very good. You have a 10. You have 10 points. So we will continue with a couple of more exercises. So then we practice a little bit more these adjectives that we're learning. So I'm gonna read a sentence for you, and I need you to do an X in the one that you think is the correct one, okay? Of course, you are not going to take a pencil and do it on your screen. You just have to do it imaginary, okay? So you do an X on the correct picture. So it says, she's tall, thin, and has long black hair. So, which one do you think is the correct picture? Number 1 or number 2? 3, 2, 1, and continue. Let's continue. So, the correct answer is, or the correct picture is this one, the number 1. Okay? So, she is tall, thin, and has long black hair. Okay? Very good. If you choose this picture, you're a really great student. So let's continue with the next slide. It says, he's young, overweight, and has short hair. So which do you think is the picture? The correct one? Is she young? No, right? So that means the correct picture is this one, because he's young, overweight, and has short hair. Okay, if you choose this picture, really good, guys, you're doing it well. So we will continue with the next slide. If I'm going too fast and you think you need a little bit more, a couple of seconds more for you to complete the exercise before I give you the correct answer, I need you to pause the video and they play it whenever you feel ready to see the correct answer, okay? So we will continue with the next slide. And it says, Luca is young, thin, and has short red hair. So which one do you think is the correct one? Number 1 or number 2? Who is Luca? Of course, is number 1. So he's young, thin, and has short red hair. So, very good, guys. Let's continue. So, we have here the last sentence, and it says they are elderly, they are medium height, and Laura is thin and has short blonde hair. So, which one do you think is the correct answer? Remember, this time we are not talking only about one person, we are talking about 2 or more. So, which one do you think it is? Of course, it's picture number 1, right? We are talking in plural, and the sentence describes them perfectly, right? They are elderly, medium height, they are not like overweight. Laura is thin, she's Laura, and she has short hair and it's blonde. So if you did it like that, very good, guys, you're on a good way. So we will continue with the next exercise, and it's just a tip for you to consider before to talk about someone someone else's appearance. And it says the order of the adjective is usually size, age, shape, and color. So it's very important for you to take in consideration this, okay? So then when you talk with someone else, you do it correctly, right? So first we will mention the size, then the age, then the shape, and after that the color. So here I have a couple of sentences that are incorrect. So what I need you to do is to write it down in the piece of paper I asked you before, in the correct way or using the order we have over here, okay? Size, age, shape, and color. So, number 1 is he has long black hair and is middle age. What will be the correct sentence using this order? Think about it or write it down. Okay, so the correct sentence is he is middle aged and has long black hair. Okay, so if you have it like that, check. Very good. So we will go with number 2. If I'm going too fast, don't forget you can pause the video and play it whenever you feel ready to check the answer, okay? So we will go with number 2. I have little round glasses. I am thin and young. So which one do you think is the correct way? Okay, so the correct sentence would be I am young, thin, and I have little round glasses. Okay, so really good. If you did it like that, you just do a check. And we will go with number 3. She's short, overweight, and has blonde hair. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some time for you to think about it and write it down on your piece of paper. Or if you think it's not necessarily, just think about it. Okay, very good. So as we can see here, it says she's short, overweight, and has blonde hair. So this one is actually correct, okay? Because we have the order, the correct order of the adjectives in here. So this is all for this video, guys. And remember to do your homework or your solo practice. I'm gonna give you all the description on how to do the homework after this video. And don't forget that we have to meet on the Zoom session on Tuesday. So, bye.